Oh, we here? There you go. That's a perfect thumbnail, though. Yeah, motor flush, man. That's what we're doing. Exactly. That's perfect. You're doing great content right now. I didn't even say anything, and you got it. But yeah.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her man. Love when you
What's good, bro? I'm just gonna miss everything. You know what I mean? Want to open up the cap? All right, go ahead. It's simple shit, dude. All we doing is put in this motor flush in the engine. You're supposed to run it for 5 minutes. It says 5 minutes. We're gonna run it for 10, and then we're gonna do an oil change. I'll double check before I finish. Photographer here, appreciate you. But yeah, I'm gonna let it run, put this back in a little bit, let it run again, and then we out of here. All right, cut it up. Here with the Ford Fusion, we got the Motorcraft filter. I'm about to lift this up real quick, and then we're gonna do a quick Motorcraft oil change. 5W20 over there, and the customer's complaining about a hiccup. So when you drive, sometimes you get to like in between your stroke of you driving fast, and out of nowhere, the car kind of re-engages itself and it keeps on going. Normally I would think it's a throttle issue, but I drove it and it didn't do a hiccup consistently. It only did it, I guess, when the car cooled down after you revved it or drove it pretty fast. But it doesn't happen all the time. So I decided to do a engine flush, which is cleaning out all the sludge and doing an oil change, which is the easiest thing to do. And hopefully that will solve the problem. But this is one of the processes that we're doing. That engine flush, I believe, would work. This is the test. We're gonna find out. It's simple, y'all. Look, I'm in the middle of the street right now. Obviously my car is on the side. I'm not moving out of these. I'll do it right here. But the oil change is super simple, connected to the frame right here. And all we're doing is going up, slide this board underneath. I think it's a 14mm socket. We loosen that up, drain it, and fill it, man. Real simple. This is gonna be an easy job. So that Ford is very easy to do oil change. Filters, you could do it with your hands, and then 14mm socket to take out the oil drain plug. So I'm gonna put a pan underneath and fill it back up, man. It's real easy, actually. After setup, it's about 10 minutes to set up, and I gotta get the funnel too. 10 minutes to set up, and about 5 minutes to change this oil, man. 15 minutes total. Very, very simple. Pan, ready to go. One thing I did wanted to let you guys know also was that this little car, 4-cylinder car, has 5.2 quarts, apparently. This big jug is a 5 quart, I know that. And I had to buy another 1 quart just to add 2 quarts to it. Ironically, it has a big engine. I don't know why they do that, but this is where we're at. So hopefully everything is good on this after I'm done, and customer stops complaining. But 5W20 cap, open it up, let it go down, let it drain out, and you go from there. I wanted to show you, leave this out, but how easy this one is. So oil filter's right there, drain plug is right above there. Oil filter, drain plug. So really, the pans have to go underneath the jack. This is the second time I did this. But it's gonna go like that. Drop and drop. And I guess we could do the oil filter now. Oh, it's blazing hot too. Ooh. There you go. Boom. Look at that. Alright. So we're gonna drop this first, then I'm gonna slide it back. I'm gonna add the filter in and then take out the rest on the back end. And I think that's the easiest way to do it. But look, 45 seconds, we're about to be done in less than a minute more. Simple as that. Look, very dark oil, which is not good. Hopefully that is our problem. We put the flush in. It looks like 2 different drains right there, but hopefully it's our problem, man. Clear this out. I can put the cap back in here right now, and then I'll put the drain plug back in also. And job is done. Fill up. You guys, simple guys, at this point, motor flush is done and oil change is done. Only thing I have to do is kind of drop it down. It's just slow. Only thing I gotta do is fill up at this point. So with the funnel ready, we fill this up and job done. We just clean up the old oil. Okay, so now it's cleanup time. Told you, automatic flush, and this is what it's looking like. Doesn't look so good. All right, want to turn it on? That's it, man. Let it run.